Assalamualaikum students of grade 1. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So today is your science class and I am your science teacher Miss Asma, and today we are going to start our new chapters reading unit number 5 and its name is staying safe. So let's start. The most important points that we are going to discuss in this chapter are how to protect ourselves and what is the right way to deal with strangers and being safe around electricity. So the first topic is staying safe. There are many things we can do to stay safe. We should stay away from fire. As you can see here, this is a fire and the water is boiling on it. So we should stay away from fire. We should not touch and play with the sharp things. Sharp things are not for playing, and the sharp things include knife, needle. As you can see here, knife, needle, broken glass, scissors and saw. So these are the sharp things and these are not for playing. So we should stay away from them. Hold the hand of a grown-up when crossing a road. Hold the hand of a grown-up when crossing a road. And medicines can harm you. So grown-ups know when it is okay to have them. You should not take medicine without the permission of your parents or doctor, because grown-ups know when it is okay to have them, because if you have them without the permission of your parents or doctor, they can harm you. Now come to next page. Touching an electric point with wet hands can hurt you badly. You should not touch an electric point with wet hands. You should only touch an electric point with dry hands. Otherwise, it will hurt you very badly. Strangers are people we don't know. Strangers कौन होते हैं? Strangers ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनके बारे में हमें नहीं पता होता, जिनको हम नहीं जानते होते. So strangers are people we don't know and we must never speak to them. If they offer you sweets to eat, you must always say no and run away, because strangers can harm you, right? Strangers are people we don't know, and if they talk to you, if they speak to you, if they offer you sweets, you should not take anything from them and run away, because they can harm you. Next page. If you are flying a kite, always make sure that there are no electricity poles or wires nearby. This is an electricity pole and you can also see many electric wires there. So if you are flying a kite, always make sure that there are no electricity poles or wires nearby, because it can harm you badly. Next, you find these bottles in your house and they help in cleaning the house, but they contain poison. These bottles are help in cleaning the house, like detergent bottles and Harpic and surface cleaners and many more. These are used in cleaning the house, but they contain poison. Poison कहते हैं जहर को, which is very dangerous, and you must not go near these bottles, right? So this is your today's work. Today we have completed the reading of unit number 5, staying safe, and you have learned many points in this chapter, that how you stay safe. Like you should you should stay away from the fire, you should not play with the sharp things, you should hold the hand of a grown-up when you're crossing a road, and you should not take any medicine without the permission of a grown-up, and you should not touch an electric point with wet hands, and always stay away from the strangers. Don't talk to them, don't take sweets and anything else from them, and you should not fly a kite near electricity poles or wires, and you should stay away from these bottles which are present in your home always, because you should stay away from these bottles, because these bottles are used in cleaning the house and they contain a poison which is very dangerous. So you must not go near these bottles. This is your today's work. Hope you understand it. You have to read it and underline the difficult words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.